Well, hello cruise fans and welcome to today's show. So what we got coming up, we've got the P&O Iona. So this will be my family's first P&O cruise. If you watched the vlog before, it all started on P&O, believe it or not, on the Britannia during the pandemic. We did cruise beforehand, but we never made any videos. So that was actually how it all started. And we come all the way back round to be on the Iona. Wow. So what I want of you guys is any tips and tricks so I can pass on to everybody else. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. It's Cruise with My Father. It's just real cruise vlogging, reviews, just keeping it honest. You know what the channel's all about? Not me. It's about you, the viewers, what you want to know, the content, the information, what I can do to help you guys. When I watch these videos, I watch everyone's videos before I go. I like to know what to expect when I get on board. Where can I get the food from? Where can I get the best drinks from? Where's the best entertainment? All that kind of stuff. That's the stuff I need to know. And this is why I regurgitate all this facts information and give them back to you guys, the viewers. So on this trip, there's going to be me, Scott, Maria and Liam. So 2 adults, 2 children. So I'm going to focus more this time on actually what it's like as a family cruise. So if you think about doing the Iona, this is the video to click like and you can follow along the trip. Now you're thinking, oh, but I'm not going to the same places. That's fine. The video will be focused mainly on the Iona. So we're going to be looking at what it's got to do for kids, what it's got to do for adults, also what it's got to do for families, that kind of stuff. So the entertainment, what you can expect, what there is to do, etc. We're going to look at also the food that's available on board. We'll have the food day, the world famous food day everyone likes to watch, where I just eat, 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 eat. All for why? For you. Big belly, all for you. So we'll be doing the food day and we'll be showing you the local ports as well. But if you are going on board, or you've been on board and you have any tips or tricks or comments, please leave in the little box below and I'll pass them on as we get on board. If you are going to go on the Iona, once again, feel free to subscribe and follow along. You may pick up some tips or tricks for you and your family when you go on board with your kids, or you go on as a couple or whatever's going on. This is the video to follow, where I'll just give you the honest feedback of what's happened and how it's been and where to go and what to do. I'm going to do all the hard work so you don't have to, because I'm such a nice person. That's me, you see. But we're going to have a lot of fun. I know that's for sure. So like I say, Scott's never been on P&O before. Maria's never been on P&O before. Liam, Maria's son, my stepson, he is the first cruise. So that's going to be a whole new ball game to see if he likes it or not likes it. So we're going to find out. So this is interesting to follow along and you'll find out. I'm pretty sure he'll love it and I'm pretty sure we'll all have a fantastic time. What I know about the ship is it's very large, it's very modern, it's very spacious, and it's going to be full of, I think someone told me, 14,000 children. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of fun as well. So if you like what you've heard, or you don't like what you've heard, or whatever, you want to know a bit more about the owner, the tips or tricks, you're going on board, you're not going on board, you're just nosy parking, you just want to know some fun, click like and subscribe and join us along our journey. So next video you'll see will be us getting on board the Iona. So thank you for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye!